Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Inga and today I have a quick tutorial for you, and it's a sleek high bun and it's on 3C hair, so continue to watch. As you can see guys, I have experienced much growth since my big chop, which was back in September. It's about like 5 months I should say. And yeah, but I experienced a lot of shrinkage because my hair type is 3C, and that's what we are all about. Yeah, guys, and if you want to find out your hair type, you can go to this site called naturally.com and take the quiz. It's a fun site. I was excited to do it to find out what my hair type was. Yeah, you should try it out. So right now my hair is damp and I sprayed it with some leave-in treatment by Shea Moisture, and it's their leave-in coconut milk, and I'll have that listed in the description box below. So right about now, I'm going to smooth this all the way to the top as best as I can. So I'm using my purple pick comb and a hard bristle brush to do this. And after I achieve my ponytail, I usually take the rest of the hair, twirl it around, and I use a small black rubber band to just keep it in place. This helps me a lot with when I'm placing the weave on top, so it doesn't peek through or be seen. So right about now, I'm gonna put some moisture into my hair, and I'm gonna use this coconut oil, and it's in this mini jar, and it's by Shea Moisture also. So I'm gonna use this before I apply the gel onto it. As you can see, my hair is getting a bit frizzy now, so I'm applying my Eco Styling Gel onto this, and this is the one that comes with olive oil in it. This is my favorite, and I'm taking the little bits of that and applying it to my hair. So right about now, I'm using this a half a bulk rather of the African Kinky hair, and I just take a straight pin and I'm pinning my first layer in. And what I usually do is I pin the first layer in and then I clamp it together and I just wrap it around, and as I go wrapping, I secure it with pins. As you can see, I'm having camera issues again. So what I'm doing right now is I'm taking a piece of that hair and I'm just wrapping it around so that the base of the hair is not exposed. So yeah, that frizziness is peeking out again. The hair is curling back up as it dries or the gel is soaking through. So I am going to have to apply a bit more gel. Right about now, I'm about to lay these edges down. We call them baby hair. So let's get into this. And as you can see, I think I'm getting a little bit of white from that coconut milk, shea butter coconut milk, but we'll fix that. And to fix that residue from the coconut milk, I'm going to use the OGX coconut oil. It's a weightless hydrating oil mist. And now I'm going to take my lady's silk do-rag and just press this hair down, let it set a bit. And now for the reveal of this. Yes, there you have it. A nice slick bun. It's not really high, but it's like mid-height, and my edges are slayed. The baby hairs are laying down there. Yes, I love this style. And the Afro kinky hair comes in really good with this style. So you guys with natural hair, I don't know if you ever tried one before, but if you haven't, please do. It's a really sleek, smooth style. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I do have a line from that do-rag, but by the time I'm ready to make my move, that line should be gone. So just let me pat some powder on my face and get going. And yeah, if you just pop by my channel for the first time, just hit the subscribe button, like my videos, follow me on social media. I'll be happy to have you, so you don't want to miss any of these exciting videos. And thank you to all my subscribers, and I appreciate your loyalty. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.